Hey Coaster Crew fans, it is great to be back in a park. We are here finally at Universal Islands of Adventure. Going to give you guys an update on what's been going on with the Velociraptor coaster. Going over at Jurassic Park section of the park. And lots of work has been done during the 3 months that we've been gone in quarantine. Things look to have been moving right along. Alright, let's get a little closer, see if we can get you some closer shots from Harry Potter Land.
Apparently I request the high foot. I really don't. Also, you can request an air in an elevator, but every single
Alright guys, that's it for today. For updates on the new Jurassic Park coaster coming in the next year or so, we suspect. So as parks start to reopen, we'll be bringing you guys more updates. So be sure to subscribe to our page, hit the bell for future notifications for future videos, and of course like us on all our social media, and comment on this video. Let me know what you think of this new coaster and what it's going to be like, and we'll see you guys real soon.